So I started working on the Carnival Air application over the weekend and this morning. I want to give you some feedback, plus also solicit some input from you guys on some functionality to kind of make sure I'm going down the right path. So the first thing I did was I started looking at the Carnival website to give the application a look and feel similar to what they've seen before on the website. So I wanted to skin it. And I looked at their website and came up with a look like this. This is the actual application, the Air application I'm working on right now. So it runs in its own window, so it doesn't have to run the browser. It runs locally on the person's desktop or wherever the agent's going to be working on. And it has, as of right now, just basically two functions: to submit a new case, view all the queued cases, and this is the customer service tab you're looking at here right now. So it has the look of the Carnival website, so I think that'll be nice for them. But the way I was thinking about it is that this application will only be run when the internet's down, so they don't have any type of access to the internet. I think if the internet's up, maybe this application gives them a message that says, hey, don't use this application, log on to Salesforce instead. So what it'll do is when they have someone walk up and has a complaint, let's say, they would click on the new case button, and that would give them some fields they would fill out to create a new case. So it would enter a booking number, the cabin they're in, what ship they're on, their first and their last name, how this case was created, and the priority, and the department that it's for. I guess that would be for routing, and the subject, and then they call it the verbatim, which is the details of the actual complaint. And I took a lot of these fields from the list that they sent us both before and after the meetings we had with them. So that's kind of what a new case I was envisioning would look like. And when they submit this, it's going to go into a local database that's stored locally on the desktop and laptop that they're running this machine on. It's not going to be created in Salesforce right now. So they could add as many cases they want to this local database while they're offline. And you can see right now it has a little indicator that now tells you that says if the application's online or offline. And right now it's online because I have connection to the internet. So then what I was thinking is they may have 3, 4, 5 cases that they submitted while they're offline. They'd want to go and view a case queue to see all the cases that are in here. Now, just for right now, just to get things working, I have actually these are being pulled from Salesforce. So you can see that this is a case from Salesforce. And if I go in here, you'll see this is case 1026 for Tim Barr, and all that information's in there. So I guess have some connectivity to Salesforce right now, but that's just for demo purposes. I need some data to work with. But this will actually be coming from the local database, and once they have connectivity to Salesforce, either we can have them fire this automatically to push all the cases that are local in the database to Salesforce to create them, or we can have a manual button. So maybe have a pop-up that says, hey, we're back online now. Click this button if you want to create all these cases in Salesforce. That's something we can talk about. So I kind of need some feedback on that process right now. If you guys see any more functionality that I've missed, anything that needs to be tweaked, I'd appreciate your feedback. I'm working on the Adobe Air API right now because with a lot of other things with Salesforce, it's not well documented, so I have to go through a lot of the stuff and figure out how it works myself. So that's what I'm kind of working on. So any feedback would be great. Appreciate it.